just begun. I know that they'll be waiting and they want to have some fun. Good morning, how are you? Hello, Ladybird. Did you sleep all right? Oh, where did your dots go? Don't worry, Ladybird. I will help you find your dots. Where could they be? Hello, Mouse. Oh, what are you doing with Ladybird's dots? Oh, you borrowed the dots because your cheese balls disappeared? Yes, we can help Mouse find his cheese balls. Bear, what are you doing with Mouse's cheese balls? Oh, you had to borrow the cheese balls because your honey pot disappeared? But you like honey much better? Right, Ladybird, we can help Bear find his honey. Hello, Dog. We're looking for Bear's honey pot. Have you seen it? The dog? Why are you lying on the honey pot? Oh dear, your cuddly cushion disappeared, so you had to borrow the honey pot. Well, is it comfy on the honey pot? Poor dog. We'll help you find your cushion. Where could it be? What? Ladybird? You had Dog's cushion? I see. You just borrowed the cushion because it was so comfy. But now Dog gets it back. Yay! Everybody's got their stuff back. Now you can finally cuddle, nibble, juggle, and you, Ladybird, finally have your dots back again. But Ladybird, what's the matter? Oh no, now you have all your dots back, but nothing more to cuddle with? Hey, did you hear that? Dog's inviting you to his basket. Oh, Ladybird, it couldn't be more cuddly, could it? Now all the Patchwork pals are happy and